Students, let's revise the concept which we have studied in previous video. What is chemical kinetics? What is chemical kinetics? It is a branch of chemistry in which we study the rate of chemical reaction. Again, what do you mean by rate here? Speed of reaction. As we have studied, rate of reaction as speed is equal to distance upon time. Here rate is equal to decrease in concentration of reactant or increase in concentration of product divided by time. Unit, its unit is mole per liter. That is the unit of concentration when we will take in molarity with time second. Means what will be the unit? Mole liter inverse second inverse. And in case when all the reactants are gaseous, it will be atm atmospheric, may be taken in bar per second. Next is, if we write average rate of reaction, it means the rate of reaction where time interval is large. We keep delta, and here we keep the sign of negative. Why? Because the concentration of reactant always decreases. To make it positive, we keep here negative. Change in concentration of product upon time. If we will take instantaneous, means the time interval is very short. जब time interval बहुत short होगा, then we will take it as dr by dt. dr by dt is equal to minus dp by dt. These graphs shows the concentration of reactant. As the reaction proceed in forward direction, reactant कम हो जाएंगे. The reactant decreases with time, while the product increases with time. So this is the graph between concentration of reactant and time. Next is, on which factors the rate of reaction depend? On which factor the rate of reaction depends? There are number of factors. First is nature of reactant. Commonly here we have taken, अगर covalent bond है और ionic bond है, then ionic bond breaks easily. Ionic bonds break easily. Hence rate of reaction for ionic compound is higher than covalent compound. This vary from one reaction to other reaction. The main point is depends on the nature of reactant. The second one is concentration of reactant. If more the concentration of reactant, more the rate of reaction. As the concentration of reactant is more molecules are present, and according to the collision theory, more molecule will collide to produce product. ज़्यादा molecules होंगे, concentration अगर ज़्यादा होगा और उनके बीच में जो collisions होंगी वो ज़्यादा होंगी, जिसकी वजह से product ज़्यादा बनेगा. Next is temperature. On increasing temperature, the kinetic energy of molecule increases and the product also increases. It means on increasing temperature, rate of reaction also increases. As according to the collision theory here also, the rate of collision increases as the kinetic energy of reactant molecule increases. Next is surface area of reactant. What is this? Surface area increases. reactant का surface area ज़्यादा होगा, more effective the collisions. ज़्यादा कोलिजन्स होंगी, एंड मोर द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन, क्योंकि जो कोलिजन्स होती हैं उसके बाद द प्रोडक्ट विल form. New bonds are formed, old bonds will break. Radiation. Many reaction depends of radiations also. Hence, the radiations also affect the rate of reaction. One more point we can discuss here is pressure. On increasing pressure, the rate of collision increases, and generally on increasing pressure, the rate of chemical reaction increases. These are few factors on which rate of reaction depends. First one is nature of reactant, concentration of reactant, temperature, surface area and radiation. Next is general expression. General expression we have already studied. The coefficient, stoichiometric coefficient will come in the denominator. For reactant, minus sign we will keep here, and we can write the rate of reaction. This is average because we keep the delta and the time interval is long, and when the time interval is very short, we will write in the form of d, differentiation, dA by dt, and other things will be same. Next, the next is order of reaction and molecularity difference. Or again, order of reaction we cannot determine by looking at the reaction, but molecularity we can. For example, if I am taking this H2 plus I2 gives 2HI, I can't say about its order at looking this reaction, but the molecularity is here 2 because 2 molecules. So the number of reacting species, which may be atom, molecule or ion, are called molecularity of reaction. Then unit of rate constant, that is the new topic which we are starting here. How can we calculate the unit of rate constant? First, revise the rate law expression. If I have a equation, A gives product, then what will be its rate? R is equal to K, A to the power X. We can't say anything about X. This is the order of reaction, and we doesn't tell about that after looking the equation. Here we will take one by one different order reactions. First, if this reaction, let us consider that this reaction is zero order reaction. Okay, इस reaction का order zero है. Here R is equal to rate of reaction, K is equal to rate constant. इसी का हम unit निकाल रहे हैं, rate constant का, K का. When we keep the unit of others, we can calculate the unit of rate constant. Here, the rate of reaction have the unit mole per liter second, and K A to the power 0. I am calculating rate constant for zero order reaction. The power is 0, then the value will be 1. And what will be the unit of K here? Mole. Liter inverse, second inverse. This is the unit of rate constant for zero order reaction. Now the next one is here we will take first order reaction. Again the reaction is same, A gives product, and we consider ये reaction क्या है? This is a first order reaction. अगर ये first order reaction है, then we will write R is equal to K, A to the power 1. Okay, again we will keep the units. This is the rate, mole, liter, second. mole per liter second. K, and this is the concentration and its unit always mole per liter, because where here we are taking in the terms of molarity, mole per liter. Mole, you can cut mole from mole, liter here. And the what is the unit of फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शंस रेट कांस्टेंट? इसके रेट कांस्टेंट का यूनिट होगा सेकेंड इनवर्स, ओनली सेकेंड इनवर्स. दिस इज द यूनिट ऑफ रेट कांस्टेंट फॉर फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन, फर्स्ट ऑर्डर. एंड लेट calculate the unit of rate constant of second order. Again A gives product, and when we will write its rate constant, rate law expression, then what will it? R is equal to K, A to the power 2. Why we keep here 2? Because this is second order reaction. And when we keep the units, mole per liter second is equal to K. And what is the unit of this concentration? Mole per liter square. And when this will move there, then what will be the remaining quantities? Here the unit becomes K is equal to, मोल से मोल एक कट हो जाएगा, लीटर से लीटर, मीन्स इस पावर रिमेन्स 1. सेकेंड इज इन डिनोमिनेटर, लीटर ऊपर चला जाएगा, मोल नीचे. इट मीन्स व्हेन वी विल राइट द डायमेंशंस, मोल इनवर्स, लीटर सेकेंड इनवर्स. In this way we can calculate the unit of rate constant for any reaction if we know the order, whether it is first order, second order or third order or zero order. Next, the next is we can directly said about the order of reaction after looking the rate constant. How? If for a reaction K is given 2.3 second inverse, this is rate constant and the unit is second inverse, and we know that this is for first order, then we can write order of reaction is 1. One more example here, K is equal to 5 mole inverse, liter second inverse. And we can say by looking only, we will see only the unit, and this is for second order, and this reaction is of second order